Sirikal ma pachoka osingo mar keto chenro makare ma neno ni jopuonjre mawuok e gred 8 kadhi e gred mar 9 dwe mar achiel higa manyien ondhi mbele kod somb yo maber maonge chochni moro amora. Kaluwore gi jalup jatend jotiji mag sirikal Eliud Owalo, sirikal osetieko chano chenro mag gero kilese 16,000 e skunde mopogore e pachoka ka jopuonjre madonjo e gred 9 biro bedo ka somo e higa manyien. Owalo bende wacho ni sirikal chano mar tieko midhiero manok mar jopuonj, kama duol mandiko jopuonj e TSC biro ndiko e yo mongirore jopuonj 46,000 mosebedo ka puonjo kaka interns, ka jopuonj mamoko 20,000 bende ibiro ndiki e tich.
Tell the community who are also special.
The government is doing its best to ensure that the transition from standard 8 to 9 at primary school level is facilitated. We need about an additional 16,000 classrooms, and the government has put in place mechanisms, financial facilitation, to ensure that as at January 2025, we are going to have an additional 16,000 classrooms spread evenly all over the country. We are aware that we have been having a shortage of teachers, and that is why the government has again decided to absorb the 46,000 teachers who have been teaching as interns. Now they are being absorbed fully through the Teacher Service Commission.
Our objectives as funders of this project to make sure that our children are well prepared to be digital natives of the future. This is now your responsibility. It is not ours. And I can tell you, this is not the last time we're coming here. We want to come here and to make sure that facilities that we've offered are delivering to our expectations. So I can guarantee you, this is not the last time we're handing over, but we'll be constant visitors here.
Oganda makwar ma jodak ma kaunti ma Mombasa oyuore chenro ma chiwo thieth manono maonge chudo, chenro mitayo gi kambi Royal Media Services moting'o nyaka Ramogi TV.